Now we can pick back up where I left off, because that traffic was not it at all. I'm sure y'all couldn't hear shit because that was so much wind. My bad. But damn, I just love doing that. If you're ever in the car with me, you should already know. You got another one. It's a fucking GT. It's a V6 with the SRT body. Why do they do that? My car don't even got that body. I mean, I get the newer ones. Okay, here's the thing. My car is a 2018. The 2019 and up, like pretty much all the Chargers, even the V6 ones, have the SRT body, which is cool because like it just looks better. But damn, I wish my shit had that. Driving that GT like a GT. Why are you going so slow? Why? Just why? Your car looks faster than mine, but it's so much slower. I'm really about to just start cutting up, bro, as soon as I get past this Infinity. I'm just waiting to see that one fucking crazy ass Ultimate driver that you see every time you get in your car. Is that an Ultimate? It's a Maxima. Does that count? Does that count as like, oh shit, what's that in that Chevy? I want to see what he started doing. He's gonna cut me off. Go ahead. Oh, okay. See, what I like to do is I like to wait till I see someone else driving crazy, then I start driving crazy. Oh yeah, Mr. Chevy going crazy. He's going crazy, but I'm finna gap this shit. I'm finna catch up to him. see, okay, I would say the RT is a very fun car to drive. You can do the same shit you can do in any other like muscle car in this car. It's just not as fast. So I don't know. I'm happy with this car, but I do want a faster car. I'm not gonna lie. Like really, on the streets, it's fast. It's fast. Don't get it twisted. It's fast. It's just as fast as other shit. Like honestly, it's keeping up with like everything else on the streets. But when you get on the highway and you pretty much going 60 plus miles an hour and it's all top end power, that's where this car kind of like fails. The car, like I wish this car had more top end power. So I'm gonna go full bolt-ons and see what type of gains I get from that. And after that, the next step, at least ideally in my head, I'm not sure if it works this way, is I wanna go forced air. I wanna throw a supercharger on here. Honestly, like I don't care for like the most amount of like gains, because I don't care about being the fastest. Truthfully, I only like the superchargers in the Hellcats because of the way it sounds. Like obviously the Hellcat's a fucking monster of a car, but I don't care about being the fastest. I just want my car to sound good. I want it to be fast enough and fun enough. This car is fun, it's just not fast enough. And it sounds good, but it doesn't have that supercharger one I like. So in the long term, my long term goal is to basically build this into a 5.7 Hellcat. So I did my research. I see like Hellcat supercharger adapter kits for the 392s and the 57s. So I'm gonna have to save up for that, get that, buy a supercharger, go to the shop. I already know a shop. I probably should talk to them and just to let them know what I have planned. Probably closer when I'm able to do so financially, honestly though. But yeah, so basically that's the goal. I'm gonna try to put a Hellcat supercharger on here. Might do forged internals if I have to. I don't care about running the highest amount of boost, honestly. So I may or may not have to do that because I don't care about being the fastest. I just want it to sound like a Hellcat. I want that, like I love how my exhaust sounds, but I want that supercharger. I love how my intake sounds too, and this is the stock one. But that Hellcat supercharger with the leg maker cold air intake, that combo is undefeated. Any Hellcat, whether that's like TRX, Trackhawks, Direct, like any of them, they all sound 10 times better with that leg maker. So that's my plans with this car. So I'm gonna start with the wide body kit and the wheels and tires. Then after that, I'm gonna go full bolt-ons. I'm gonna try to get a maybe an E85 kit. That should help a little bit. And after that, it's pretty much just really just getting ready for forced air. So I might have to go forged internals after that and just save up for the supercharger and throw that in here. And I'd say give or take a year or two, I should be able to get that done, because that's the most expensive mod, is that supercharger. I'm not expected to spend anything less than 10 grand in total just for that alone, and that's on the low end. So we'll see. Damn, they all got their girls on their bikes. I'm gonna give them some though. Somebody see me driving fast and trying to keep up. They're in a little Honda or something though, so it's taking them a minute. We got 4 minutes left till I get to the hospital. So in the vlog, once I get to the hospital, I'm gonna park in the parking garage, roll the windows down and let y'all hear this beast. Then after that, I don't know, that'll probably be the end of the video, honestly. When I do get the wide body kit though, that's gonna be its own video itself. Almost missed my exit because I wasn't paying attention. Maybe the wheels and tires, I don't know. What do you guys want to see? If you guys want to help me out, please subscribe to both my YouTube channels. And like all my, just like this video, and if you watch anything else, like that video too. Just help my my analytics. You know, every little engagement counts. That little Mustang though. I've never been to Sunsplash, but I want to. I can't swim though, that's the thing. And why is it having me go this way? Because I don't remember having to go this way the last time I went to the hospital. I'm hoping I didn't put in the wrong address, but we're gonna see. Is that a Burger King with a playhouse? I haven't seen one of those in like forever. Let me not rear end this Honda Odyssey. That's another thing I want to do. I want to throw the 6-piston Brembo brakes on this car too. So I don't know. I know for this car you have to replace. I'm not an expert. I forget. Like, it's not just plug and play from what I've seen online. But I'm gonna do it because I really want to. I'm gonna build this into a 5.7 Hellcat. I'm gonna put the Hellcat seats in here. I'm gonna do a Starlight headliner. I'm gonna do the LED door lights. It's gonna be a Hellcat, except for it's not gonna have Hellcat badges. I might even throw the Hellcat odometer and shit in here too, just to have 200 on the dash. Maybe do a little SRT steering wheel, but I don't know. Is it? Hear me out. Is it still up badging if I built this into a Hellcat? Let me know in the comments. Like if I built this car, put a Hellcat supercharger in this car, and this car was if this car was at least as fast as a Hellcat or close to it, would that still be bad and considered up badging? Even if I didn't even, like, I'm not gonna throw a Hellcat badge on the car, but let me know what you guys think. Because I don't think I've ever seen this done the way I want to do it. So who knows? We'll see. Just got to the hospital. It's a Charlie. I know my girlfriend misses me because I'm missing her ass. I was supposed to be here, like, I said I was going to wake up and get here early in the morning, but you know, that just never happens. My sleep schedule's bad. I woke up at like 5 in the morning, and that kind of screwed me over. But I'm here now. It's only 1:20. Visiting hours are from 8 to 8, so I'm having until like 8 p.m. to stay here with her. And I actually want to show you guys what I'm bringing her, because she just knows I'm bringing her food. But I brought her a little car, to get well card, and some flowers too, just because my baby wanted her to get well. Also, let me know if you guys want to see like a video of my girlfriend driving the car, and another video of maybe me teaching her how to do donuts, or just me doing donuts with her in the car going crazy and just getting her reaction to this car. But we're going into the parking garage, which means it's gonna be loud, which is nice. Keep it in first gear. I park? So I gotta go over there. I don't want to park over here on the far side. There's police. What are they up to? AMG, it is. So GT63. I drove a GT63S at work before. That's interesting. God damn, this shit sound crazy. And I'm gonna park this boat right here, cause why not? Okay, so I just got to the hospital, and that's the end of my video. Got my flowers for my babe. Remember, man, it's 2022. Treat your girl like she's the only girl in the world, because at the end of the day, your girl is always gonna have your back more than anyone else will. Well, like, besides, like, family and shit, obviously, but, you know, keep your girl close, treat her right, because if you don't, someone else will. Where's the card? Oh, here it is. Got the flowers in the card right here. It's a cat. She likes, well, it's like an inside thing. Got her a cat because she wasn't a cat person, and so she met my two cats, and now she loves them. They're her babies, so figured I'd get her a cute little cat. And some food, and some flowers. So that's the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Subscribe to my other channel, my gaming channel, my second channel, whatever. But yeah, support, and peace out, guys.